Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on Shazam. You will go to settings. Then here we go to this window. You will click on apps. On above you will search about Shazam app like this. Here in this page we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.